awe-inspiring views of Case Inlet and Harstene Island surround this remarkable 3.25-acre estate on the peninsula. This custom Russian Cedar residence is completely renovated for the way we live today. The gourmet kitchen with endless cabinetry and top-of-the-line appliances is just off the great room with vaulted ceilings and rock fireplace. There is so much thought and attention to detail in every space to enjoy daily life. Enjoy a relaxing end to the day in the master suite with stacked rock fireplace and views overlooking the inlet. On the upper level, find 2 additional bedrooms, bathrooms, and a bonus room for games and activities. On the lower level, the entertaining areas continue with a fabulous rec room and game area, perfect for Super Bowl parties and holiday events. Enjoy a workout in the exercise room, or guests can relax in the guest bedroom. Outside, your own park awaits. Rolling lawns, gardens, tall timbers, the northwest landscape on full display with sparkling blue waters in the distance. Rustic, private, serene. The best of Northwest living awaits. Welcome to the retreat at the Peninsula.